Do you want to have one of the best hacked clients on Minecraft? Then you have come to the right video. In this video, I will be showing you how to download Meteor hacked client. Come up and come to your browser. Type in Meteor client 1.21.11, which means your version over here. Type your version you want to download for. Click enter. And then just click on the first thing that pops up. Choose the versions. I prefer 1.21.11. Now it will start downloading. And then after it's downloaded, drag it onto your desktop. Close Google. Start opening up your Minecraft launcher. When your Minecraft launcher is launched, just come to your Minecraft launcher. And guys, don't forget, the version that you want to play on should be modded. So if you don't know how to mod your version, go my other video and then come back to this one. Click on the installations, choose the version that you want to play which is modded, open installations folder, scroll down till you see mods, double click, then just add a Meteor client folder onto this folder. You can close your folders and you can successfully launch your Minecraft. Just come on to single player or multiplayer. I do not recommend multiplayer because cheating isn't allowed and you will get banned. Just come to multiplayer, single player. Maybe you want to create a new world. Create it, type in create world. And now guys, when you press on left alt, this whole menu will pop up and you can choose which cheat you want to use. Let's say you want to use speed, just type in speed. You choose speed, you press right click to edit it. Vanilla speed, let's do 20, timer 10, and let's say enter. Close your place, and now you'll be running at the speed of 20, and you will be kind of boring. And that's the end of the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.